My name is Louise and I'm an Inverness Glass Administrator. I started working at Cairngorm in February 2018. When I first started, I was a receptionist at Cairngorm, which I did alongside my modern apprenticeship. I decided to do a modern apprenticeship because it was part of the role that I applied for at the time on reception, so I thought it was a good opportunity. I was attracted to working at Cairngorm because it was a small local family-run business, and I thought it was a good opportunity to do another qualification. I learned lots of new skills that I can apply to my job role that I have now, and I learned to have the confidence to do that as well. Day to day, when I was on reception, obviously my main role was being the face of the company, so I greeted everyone when they came in the door, and I also assisted with the glass department. I'm most proud of being able to complete my apprenticeship because it was quite difficult at times juggling a full-time job and a qualification. When I finished my apprenticeship at Cairngorm, I was offered another job role solely in Inverness Glass department, so I'm just in the glass department now. From my apprenticeship, I've been able to apply my people skills that I've learnt through my reception job, and also like time management that I need to have for my new role as well. I would say to those who have the opportunity to do a modern apprenticeship is to go for it if you can. You don't always need to go to college or university to get the qualifications you need to get the job you need, and with doing a modern apprenticeship you can get your qualifications while doing the job that you want, or that you want to get into that industry, so I would say go for it. The best part of working for Cairngorm is probably that it's a well-known local company, a family-run business, and I have really nice colleagues to work with.